So in this video, you'll learn how to enable watermarks on your Samsung Galaxy A06. So begin by opening the camera app. Then from here, you want to tap on the settings icon in the top right corner, and you want to select the option watermark. So from here, to enable it, all you need to do is simply tap on the toggle like that to turn it on. And now you can start customizing your watermark. So you can choose to leave the model name as part of your watermark, or you can just choose to deselect it, and then you can choose to add the date and time. And you can even choose to customize how it would look like. So you have the 24-hour option, and then you have AM PM system for time. And for date, you have these three formats for you to choose from. And then once you've chosen what you want to do exactly, you can scroll further down and you have the option of customizing the font as well as the alignment. If you want to make your own custom watermark, it's fairly simple. All you need to do is select the model name, tap on edit, and then choose whatever it is you want to write. So it can be something different. It can be your tag for whatever you do, or your name, or whatever it is that you want to add. And then you want to tap on save to apply the changes. So now you have our own custom watermark with its own alignment. So once you've done all of that, you want to tap on the back button to go back to your camera. And now you want to try taking a photo. So let me take a photo of this box here, like that. And so when I go to view the photo in the camera roll, you'll notice this tag at the bottom, meaning I've successfully enabled the watermark feature. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.